Beyond the obvious income streams, this short reveals 5 overlooked methods that quietly generate cash while the creator sleeps. 1 is micro SaaS ideas that require minimal maintenance, yet pay monthly through simple automations and friendly onboarding. 2nd, licensing your niche content to newsletters and clubs creates residuals without new production. 3rd, renting out unused app permissions to researchers or developers turns dormant data into ethical passive revenue. 4th, affiliate links embedded in evergreen guides earn commissions long after the article goes live. 5th, royalties from repurposed audio or video clips can keep flowing when original projects fade from memory.